let's see if this 70 Camaro will fire up for us today. I got kind of low hopes for it, but there's a chance it'll go. It's a 252 with 3-speed. Nothing fancy. Original plate. It's been off the road since '86. Oh yeah. Get started like once or twice a year until we actually figure out what we're gonna do with it. Pretty decent, overall in good shape. We got it was pretty rough, no interior or anything, but I'm not putting all white in there. A bunch of parts in case we ever do want to work on it. And she's pretty beat down. Still got light. Nothing yet. Ooh. I'll stick you guys out there. Maybe you can actually see it and hear it. Actually made a video on this thing quite a while ago. I ended up putting a really cheap Chinese carburetor in it. I can't find the hood latch. Where are you? Come on, buddy. Open up. Huh. Somewhere in there. Wow. Try this one. Maybe it's a double. It is a double. All from down there. Here it is. That's a Chinese carburetor, actually. Rochester knockoff. Surprisingly, it works really well. You know, I was pretty amazed how this thing operates. Look at that. She's laying down there in the leaves, gonna burst into flames. I don't know, downpipe's blown out. Thing's kind of rough. It's, like I said, it's been off the road since '86. There's glove in here to keep the window from shattering when you close the door. Yep. Oh yeah. I don't know. Cool car though. There's a better shot of the white interior. Something tried to get in. Pretty snazzy. Got some deck carpet down in here. Just needs something. So these seats come out of a 74 Camaro. I think this back seat's out of an 80-something Bird, like an 83. They don't quite match, but they're close enough to the point where nobody's going to say anything. So, a good old steering wheel. You know, you get dummy gauges in this, being a complete base model. She's got the 3-speed factory manual. The engine came out of a 74 C10, I believe. See any evidence of mice? No evidence. But we got services to be performed and vehicle safety maintenance schedule, nothing special. And then, yeah, that's the Camaro. Not really too hot. So we got headlights even. No headlights. Oh, wait. No dash lights, but we got headlights. I'm not even gonna hit the wipers. This is crazy. The radio actually still turns on. No speakers are left, but the factory radio still turns on in here. I don't know where all the temp controls are or anything. That's all missing. Uh-oh. See what idle comes down. There we go. Look at that. I'm pretty sure it's accurate. It says 59,374 9/10. Quarter tank of gas. I mean, this thing's ready. It's just got to, you know, needs a few things done to it and it'll be a fun machine. Let's see. That's gonna do it for this one, guys. That's kind of a garbagey car, but I mean, that's what's the most fun. There's the mighty buck.